Tarts are like a choose your own adventure book. You get to choose the shell, the filling, and the topping. The shell, neutral, sweet or savory. Par baked or completely baked. Egg wash or no egg wash. The filling, do you want it chunky, smooth, baked, or cold? The topping, crunchy, sweet, colorful, or maybe just baked in. I always make recipes back to back, and you can even see how one of these tarts is neater and cleaner, and it's the one I did second. This tart's a pâte brisée with the frangipane filling that I pipe because it's neat and beautiful, and poached pears, which I get to use knife cuts on to make things look beautiful. So you don't need a recipe, you kind of just need to make a decision, and then find recipes that support your decision: a crust, a filling, and a topping. This is why they're fundamental to baking programs and exams. People need to prove that they can master a simple and elegant dessert like this using step-by-step kind of thinking. And I see why these are front and center in pastry cases. They're stunning, and this tasted amazing.